Alright, good morning YouTube. Today is a crisp, foggy morning here in Stockton, California. Alright, today we're going to be installing brand new tail lights. My old tail lights here. Some water damage. There's some water leaking into the housing itself. There's water pooling right here, as you can see. And it keeps blowing out my tail lights. So I'm swapping them out. Swapping them out with this Oklpf, the old Oklpf tail lights. It's smoky black, so I want to see how it looks. So we're swapping out the old and with the new. Alright, so we're gonna be installing brand new tail lights for my 2019 Ford F-150. So let's get to it. Alright, the tools that you're going to be needing for this is basically a 3/8 ratchet. 3/8 ratchet. Get you guys. All the tools you need for this is a 3/8 ratchet. No matter what brand. And also a size 8 socket. There we go. Simple. That's it. Now to remove the tail lights, all you gotta do is unscrew these little screws right here. I already did. And yep. If you guys are curious on how to install this DMT tailgate assist, let me know. It's pretty simple. Saves the life, longevity of your tailgate. So I already got this one removed. Same on both sides. Just remove it, and then just all you gotta do is just. I'm gonna just show you guys. So you basically remove it. Let's not do that. Remove it. All you gotta do is push down on this, push and pull at the same time, and it might be snug a little bit, but it'll come out just like that. And just be gentle. Don't be forcing it. Just slowly push and wiggle, and it will just pop out eventually. Alright, so all you gotta do is disconnect this clip here to the tail light. Alright, gotta just push down on this clip. Be gentle, these clips are fragile. Kind of hard doing it in one hand. Once that's loose, remove it. See, I have a huge crack running from here all the way down to here. And if you listen to it, hear it? Look at that. There's actually water inside the tail light. So you can either keep your old light bulbs if you wanted to. They look pretty good. Hey, but if my tail light blows out, I'll just swap them out. So I'm gonna just keep them in here for now, just to keep them safe. So, and just like that, comes right out. This one's fine. But like I said, I have smoky tail lights. Let's go ahead, let's check them out. Again, this is an Oklpf tail light, so I already saw it. I'm going to show it to you guys how it looks. Again, this is smoky black. I've seen it at nighttime, so I'm not sure. This is my first time seeing it at daytime, so. Alright, that's how it looks. Okay. Still has a little bit of red, which is good. Alright. Alright, that's how they both look like. So it doesn't come with hardware. You might you're gonna have to save your old screws and clips. So don't throw them away. So basically, two brand new tail lights, no hardware. All Alright, let's get everything installed. Just do everything you did to take out the old one, but in reverse. Alright. So, basically, just to get the old clip, connect it. Make sure you hear that little click. There we go. Just like that. Tough things. There we go. All right. Right, look at that. And that's how they look. Not bad. Now all you gotta do is, like I said, take the old screws after your holes are lined up. Right there. Just go ahead, just use my belly real quick to line it up more. And just do that for now. Keep it in place. Same goes for this one right here. So now this one, let's see. It's sitting kind of weird, so. You don't have to go too crazy on the tightening, because these are, remember, plastic on metal, so it's sitting in there pretty snug, so that's good enough for me. Alright, let's get the other side in as well, and let's call it done. Alright, I got the driver's side installed, and let's do it. Alright, not bad. So that's how it looks like with the city lights on. So I am going to get a shot of these tail lights in action at night, so let's wait until it gets dark.